Okay then.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
So beautiful.
Yes, I really like this. Oh. What? What is this? Oh my god. Hello. Welcome back to NASA Hair YouTube channel. As you can see, her hair is tangled and messy. Did you go through the same thing as Rapunzel? You might have been fooled into getting synthetic hair by the salon. That's why today, NASA Hair is the #1 company for quality hair. Committed to providing 100% human hair, is here to address your most common question. Let's go through the steps together. The first and easiest way we can self-check is by testing the hair elasticity. Human hair always has a thick cuticle layer that creates elasticity and smoothness. So let's shake it vigorously and then gently comb it with our hands. If the hair returns straight after being smoothed, it's real hair. If synthetic hair after shaking, the strands will become dry and tangled, like this. As you can see, it's smooth after I gently comb it, so it's real human hair. Similarly, you can also comb the hair backwards, or you can grab a bunch of hair like this, and then smooth it out. And you can see my hair in my hand is real human hair, so it's very easy to smooth out. As synthetic hair is often dyed from artificial fibers, we can test it by shaking it into a bowl of warm water mixed with shampoo. This will help reveal the hair's true nature. If it's synthetic hair, the color will fade into the water and the water will gradually turn the color of the hair. If it's real hair, the hair will only turn slightly yellow or not at all, depending on how it's been cared for.
Let's start with our real human hair. See, when you burn it, it smells like barbecue and comes off. However, when you burn synthetic hair, it just smells like plastic.
And that's all the information we want to tell you about. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe for our next video.
Bye.
Bye!
Just by being